Let's go island hopping in the tropical Indian Ocean today on worldly treats with no meats. We're going to the Comoros. Settle in for another delicious meal. The Comoros is an island nation off the coast of Madagascar, comprised of 3 main islands. It is a federal republic that only takes up 1.8 thousand square kilometers. The Comoros is a French-Arabic country that speaks these languages as well as Comorian as official languages. The islands have been inhabited by settlers from Africa, Polynesia, and the Middle East since the 6th century. It is said that the word of Islam spread to the island in 632 and an emissary was sent to Mecca. During medieval times, the island stayed strong and independent, maintaining trade with mainland Africa. In 1841, French settlers arrived and established a colonial rule in the Comoros. This was supported by some sultans at the time. An arrangement was reached in 1973 for the region, then consisting of 4 islands, to become independent, though one island abstained. More on that later. In 1975, the 3 main islands of the Comoros became fully independent. This unfortunately led immediately into a 30-year plus of political strife and coups. The 4th island of colonial Comoros was the island of Mayotte, also known as Mayor. The island's population voted against independence from France and has remained a French overseas territory. However, to this day the Comoros asserts a claim to sovereignty over Mayotte. Today the Comoros consists of the islands of Grand Comoro, Mohai, and Anjouan. Sunni Islam is widely practiced by its nearly 8,000 people. The capital is Moroni, located on the largest island of Grand Comoro. It enjoys a tropical climate, though it is also one of the poorest countries in the world. For this you will need half a cup of warm water, 1 1/8 teaspoon of active dry yeast, I used about half a packet, 1/4 to 1/2 cup of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 large banana mashed, 1 1/2 cups of flour, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, and oil for deep frying. In a large bowl, add the warm water, salt, sugar, and yeast. Set aside for 5 minutes. Add mashed banana and mix with a wooden spoon or by hand. Followed by flour and nutmeg. Mix well until flour and banana have been fully incorporated. Set the mixture in a warm area and let it rise and double in size, approximately 1 to 2 hours. In a large saucepan, pour vegetable oil until it is about 3 inches high and place on medium heat until the oil is 375 degrees. The dough is going to be sticky, so use your hands to grab a little bit of the mixture at a time and drop in the oil, or use a spoon to spoon up the batter and another spoon or spatula to drop it in the oil, sort of the shape of a ball. Do not overcrowd the pan. Fry in batches for a few minutes until the bottom side is golden brown. Turn the ball over and fry for a few more minutes until the other side is golden brown. Remove from the oil and drain on paper towels. Like a banana fritter. The nutmeg clove makes a nice spice with the banana. Yeah, nice tasty little treat.